I know, look at. Oh my goodness. And then it's following, look, it's rolling, we're following the same speed, you know? It's running on the highway, the wind is blowing, and like we're following it. And this is like dust or something. Something really strange stuff. Oh, look, there it goes. It's getting worse. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. We're in it now. Whatever this is.
It's like a tornado.
Oh, we are in it.
Don't open the window.
Oh.
Please.
Oh. We're like going through a sandstorm. Oh my goodness.
If the window's broken now, we're all gonna die.
Oh, I haven't seen this before. Whatever it is, it's scary. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, I think it's going faster than we are. So the speed of this thing is about 55 miles per hour. That's how fast it's going. Okay, I'm driving and I'm doing the video because mommy can't do it. Oh, it's running away from us. Let's follow it. Oh, tumbleweed, look. Oh my goodness, on the road. Look, tumbleweed. Should we run over it? Yes, tumbleweed. There it goes. We ran over it. Oh my goodness.
In a half a mile, bear right to follow I north.
Oh, that was something. Out of the... Wow. That is scary. That's something. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. We're out. Okay. Oh, 那边还比较厉害耶。Oh, look at that. 哦，那边比较厉害。有看到吗？等一下。哦，对啊。哦。Again?
No, don't do it.
Oh my goodness.
Not go over tumbleweed. No, they do.
哇塞，太可怕了。Okay. That was interesting. Okay.